Why are you shouting my name? What is it? You just interrupted my sleep.
What was it? Me, my dog, Nkitara. What was it? For your information, news fly around in this village. I've got my eyes on you 24 hours, 7 days, and 365 days. What is this I hear about you and the princess? Have you gone dumb?
You know what? Please. I do not want this nonsense. Just take this your noise, attitude, just this your stupidity and get out of this compound, please. What? Take this your noise out of this compound.
What I say? You call this noise? You call this noise? What I say? You call this noise, eh? Wait, hold on a second. Did you just call this noise? It is noise, okay? It is noise. I'm making noise. What I say? Okay. Watch what I will do to you and that prostitute you call a girl a new girlfriend. And Wofia. What was it? What was it? You're locking me out. You're locking me out, okay? Hi.
Personally, I don't think that what you need now is a wife. You should focus more on issues facing our community, especially the land dispute between Ubah clan and Ubah clan. These people are brothers, and the more we allow this problem linger, the more the enmity between them grows bigger. Igwe, please look into this matter.
Kanta, you have a wife, right? And you don't want our king to have his own wife. You
heard me say personally. Is that why you should tell me Mechiano? As in what?
It's okay. Igwe. Ihe demma kwesịrị omume ekwesịrị ka eme emezie. My own opinion on this issue still remains that as a matter of urgency, begin to plan for a lot.
Bam!
For crying out loud, you need a woman behind you. Someone, oh yes, someone you will unwind and relax with after the day's hassle. So what are we talking about?
You have just said it all. Behind every successful man is a woman. Oh. These are the words of wisdom. Our Igwe is a man. He's a human being like you and I, with blood flowing in his veins. And beside that, our community women wing need the presence of a Lolo figure.
Have they not been doing well? The women have been doing well. As a matter of fact, the women group is the most organized group in this community at this moment. So, Ichi or Haka, I beg to disagree with you. If you don't have anything reasonable to say in a sensitive matter like this one, I beg you sit down and observe.
Ikenta, did you just refer to me as being unreasonable? Have you forgotten your head at home again? Wash your mouth. I advise you to wash your mouth properly.
Or what? Or what? Stop opening your mouth anyhow in a gathering like this. Put on your thinking cap. The women are not our problem. Our problem is the increasing insecurity between the Ubah clan and the Ubah clan. Not some nonsense about successful men and women.
It's alright, gentlemen. Let us remove the fingers of monkey from the soup pot before it turns out to become human hands. You have made your points, we understood you. Why ranting like women?
Oh no, Rabbi Kenta. You have a wife at home. Every night you go to her. And you don't want our king to enjoy the same thing. Oh
no, I demand for an apology from Ikenta. I became a red guy chief long before he came on board. I'm his senior. I am his senior. Yes. I will not, I repeat, I will not allow this matter to be swept under the carpet. Never.
Oh, Haka, please. Please and please again. Let the sleeping dog lie. Let the sleeping dog lie.
Where's the dog?
Are you searching for the dog under the table? It's an adage.
It's an adage.
Let the sleeping dog lie.
Not in this case. I will not allow any dog to lie.
I believe and expect that when we come before the king, we should talk and behave with a lot of respect and decorum. I don't expect you to want to fight each other and break your heads over an issue like this in the presence of the king.
We are sorry. Solemnly, we are sorry.
Bianca is a wild animal. Very, very, very disrespectful and arrogant.
I was wondering what you were doing with that person. Mere looking at her, you know she's an Obanje. I don't like that girl. How can you compare Bianca and Princess Adana? How?
The only thing that is standing between the princess and I is just the land. Those old fools are trying to play the fast one on us, but we will not allow them. You see, they have to sell that land and share the money accordingly. They will sell it all.
Where you go?
I'll be back soon. I'll be back.
Oh no, it's okay. I asked both of you to stay back because I have something very important to discuss with you. Both of you are very reasonable men and you have deep knowledge in the issue I want to discuss with you. I want to know, what is your opinion concerning this issue of my taking a wife?
Igwe, if you ask me, I would advise strongly against it. Igwe, I don't think you need a wife now. A wife is not what you need. You already have a grown-up daughter, Adana. So, Igwe.
Papa. Greetings, my king. Greetings, Chief.
Welcome. Bianca.
Papa.
Don't you see we are in a very crucial meeting?
I'm sorry, but it is a matter of urgency. I saw Mazikena measuring that land along Iseke Road. Yes.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Papa, I saw them. I'm very sure.
Igwe, I beg to leave. It's a matter of urgency.
Yes, you may go.
Thank you. I saw them, Papa. You needed to see.
It's okay. Igwe, I presume that must be the Olowo's daughter.
Yes. Her name is Bianca.
Bianca?
Yes.
It's a beautiful name. Adana. Oh, come on. Okay, you go first. What is it?
Go first, Dad. What is it? I noticed you've been in a very good mood throughout today. What is the good news? Shoot.
It's alright. Since you said I should go first. I noticed that you have been very observant, my dear. And, you know, since your mother, my beloved wife, passed, so blessed memory, I have been under immense pressure to marry again. But I have blatantly refused to do so for reasons best known to me.
I know that. And I appreciate your sacrifice all those years. Thank you.
I really miss your mother. So, I've decided to marry again.
Richard, are you serious about this?
Yes. Ichialoto.
What is it?
I want to know what is still holding you people from selling off that community land and share the money accordingly so everybody will have their own share. Yeah? What is holding you people?
See, land matters are handled with so much delicacy to avoid problems. And remember, the land in question does not belong to one person. It belongs to a whole clan. So we have to be careful where we go about it.
See, that time is what we do not have any longer. We cannot wait anymore. We want that land to be shared accordingly so everybody will have their own share. What is it now? What's all this now? What's going on? Eh? After we must have gone to the Igwe's palace and do the meeting last month, that this thing will be resolved. What is going on?
I want you to calm down. Just a little more time, a little bit of patience and time. All these things will be resolved and everybody will be happy.
Because this time is what we do not have.
Sorry,
Ndo. But I want you to know that the document of that land is still with us. Yes. For your information, do not allow me to do what will affect others. Nobody will smell it. People should do the needful.
What are you saying? No, what do you mean by that?
What I meant by that is that you people should sell off that community land and share the money properly. I need my own share.
We are doing that. It's in the process, but we have to be careful. Sit down, eh? What is it? Yeah. Wabo. Boom, boom, boom.
Didn't I tell you to call me? Huh? Have I not told you not to carry anything heavy?
I'm sorry, Nkem. I'm so sorry. Nkem, I'm only pregnant. I'm not sick now. I can carry it.
Who says you're sick? Come on, sit down. No here. You're joking with me. Huh? Don't carry anything heavy. You just won't listen. Sorry. But I've asked you not to carry anything heavy. You won't listen.
It's okay. Sorry now. It's just something. It's not heavy.
No, baby. I'm serious. Forget the fact that I took it lightly with you. I don't want it. Don't carry anything heavy. The only thing I give you permission to do is take your bath. Every other thing, ask me. Each can silly go for one.
Which soup? You don't know how to taste salt. Please. Esina, Jidofe.
So, how is Papa and Mama?
Mama and Papa are fine. They sent their greetings. As usual. Kim,
yeah.
Have you heard what's happening?
What?
Kim, Papa told me that our Igwe, the Igwe, is planning on getting a new wife. And some of the elders are supporting him, while some are not. But my question is, why does the Igwe want to marry a new wife at his age? I don't understand it at all.
You don't need to understand it. You don't need to understand it. All you need to understand is that you no longer carry anything heavy and you keep this baby safe for me. That is what should matter to you. Listen, look at me. I'm not joking with you. Don't joke with my baby. Don't carry anything heavy.
Yes, sir.
Let me get you water to drink.
Please do. I'm thirsty. Thank you, Obim. Obim, be careful with that bag, please.
Yes.
Bianca. for Christ's sake, you are a woman. Eh? Like to keep those your legs at home. Every time your leg will carry you out there, moving from one place to the other. Eh?
Papa, what is it again? What is it again? What else do you want me to do in that house? I'm done with all my house chores. Because I have important things to attend to.
That important thing is following Nwabeze from place to place. Like a she-goat in heat. Go in there and learn to do something with your life.
Biko, stop wasting your energy.
We are going. Late night. Not meet you there. Do you hear me?
Our king needs a present as palace, sir.
Is there any problem?
I don't know.
Okay. Tell him that I will be with him in no distant time. Okay?
This one you're wearing a long face, like a poor man whose wife just gave birth to triplets. Or the Kwama?
Dikeh, thank God I met you here. I'm on my way back from Alutu's house. Okoko siniho je bello. Okay. Buna. Onebe kwonkwon kade mwadu nuonua. No bro maki hejia. What is holding you people from selling off this land so everybody will get their own share of the money? What is holding you people? Yeah?
Be patient, my boy. Be patient. Ife follow to Agugo. Ife follow to Agugo. Be patient. We know what we are doing. Okay? We are deliberating over that land. Give us some time.
That time is what I do not have. How do you expect me to give what I don't have? Or the possible? Where do you want me to get the time from? From where? For Christ's sake, that land belongs to Umunadi's community. Why are you people holding that land so tight? I know why I'm saying it,
Nwabweze, the paperwork of that land was given to your father based on trust. It was given to him because he's an upright man. Nwabweze, don't jeopardize that right given to him. Don't soil the good name he has laid in this community.
Oh, my father.
Don't soil it.
Excuse me, my father is dead. We're not talking about the dead people here. We're talking about the living. My father is long dead. Why I'm saying this is because let us not do the mistake. Obviously, you people are trying to do a big mistake. Nobody should blame anyone for what will happen. I've said my mind. That's my name. That's my name.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
That's my name.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Ichelant negiri.
Your Majesty the King.
The greatest kingmaker of our land. Hey, Odo, how are you?
Fine.
Please sit.
Yeah.
And enjoy your drink.
Thank you. One of the royal guards told me that you want to see me. That's why I hurried down to this place. I hope all is well.
Yeah. Odo, all is well. Apart from the fact that you're Ono, you are still my friend.
Oh, yeah.
I can always want to see you.
All right.
Anyway, besides that, Ono, there was this young, beautiful lady that came here earlier today. I was made to understand she's your daughter.
You mean Bianca?
Wow. That's a beautiful name.
She's my daughter. I hope she has not committed any wrong. You know, children of these days.
Oh no, beauty can never be wrong. That young lady caught my attention. I like her. And she will be fitting as a queen. Oh no.
My friend, calm down.
What in God's name is wrong with you, Bianca? You would have gotten yourself killed by the car, you know.
Princess Adana. Princess Adana, stay away from my boyfriend. Stay away from Wabeze. I will not warn you again.
Really? No, really, Bianca? So this is what this old madness is about. Now you listen to me. You will take your stupid self to somewhere else. Maybe to someone with zero worries, certainly not.
I am warning you for the last time. Do not reap where you did not sow. Wabweze is my boyfriend and not yours. I am only going to leave you just because you are the princess of this land. But the next time you cross my path, or the next time I see you with my boyfriend, I will devour you and beat you up like a child. Try me next time. Try it next time.
Out of my way this minute.
Try it next time. Try it next time.
Out of my way.
Ah, run me over. 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 Let's see what will happen. Run me over. Run me over. Run me over now. Run me over. You will get it. You will get it hot from me. It's my own boyfriend you want to come and snatch. Not in this village.
This overconfidence with Bianca. Is this the answer or solution for this kingdom? This your power you exercising. Is this the best thing for this kingdom?
What is it? What's the problem?
Bothers me. What is bothering me is bothering me. Do you understand? What is bothering me is bother. It's obvious that all of you in this house are happy about our condition. You people are happy. And if you people are happy, I am not happy. That is what I'm thinking.
This thing that bothers you, what is it and how do you intend to solve it?
See, since we have... No need. Forget it.
And there's nothing, I'm not forgetting anything.
Forget it. There's no need.
Forget anything. What is it?
No need. Since you people are happy.
There is need.
Since you people are happy.
There is need. There is no need. There is need. You will tell me, Ebuka. Ebuka.
Mami.
You will tell me.
Don't worry.
What is bothering you, Ebuka? You can always talk to me. What? Talk to me now.
Forget it. I said forget it.
Nkem, please come.
Baby, 1 minute. Listen. Don't think we're done. We're not done. When I come back, You will tell me that thing that bothers you and how you intend to solve it.
Mamma.
You get me where?
Is that right?
This your power, you exercise. Is this the best thing? Yeah. Bianca, waiting me.
Pami, I don't know why your face is like that. So I have said my own. I will marry the Igwe, and there is nothing anybody can do about it.
Eh? Yeah, you don't know what you are saying. I married your mother right before him. You were conceived and given birth to right before his very presence. So, Igwe Okoye is old enough to be your father.
Fortunately, he is not my father. Papa, have you even considered what I will gain if I become the king's wife? I will become the queen! The queen! 7 villages will be under my control. So someone will now control all the... Hey, Papa! Please, Biko. Ha! I'm going to marry the king. I have made up my mind and it is final.
Nekwe, you are just counting and recounting what you gain when you become the queen. Have you ever thought of your happiness? Your happiness.
Papa, will happiness help? We are talking comfortability and security. Those are the main thing in a marriage. Which kind of happiness? My happiness does not lie in the hands of any man. I create my own happiness and I will marry the king.
No, you won't marry him. I won't allow you to mortgage your future to a man older than your father. Mbano, Omeme, I will not allow that.
Anyway, it is my choice. I will be the one in the marriage, Okuya. I have made up my mind and it is final. As for that stupid girl who took my man, that stupid princess, she should better get ready because very soon I'll become her stepmother. We've swapped. How the table turns.
Let him be.
Want to try me? Silly animal, monkey, a zombie. Anyway, look at you.
What are you doing here, Mwabrezi?
You see, this your guard. They need to be tamed.
They are working on my instruction. What are you doing here? I was very busy inside, so be out with it.
My princess, why are you talking to me like this? You're being harsh on me. Did I do anything wrong?
Obviously, you do not have anything meaningful to say. Like I said, I was attending to something very important inside. The guys will show you outside the gate. Hey! I am in no mood for any of this rubbish. You can go back to your woman, Bianca.
Adana, come on. Ada. Eddie. What is this? Adana. Eddie. Ada? Eddie. Adana.
Ayo. Zero.
Eddie. Ada?
You don't know me.
You don't know me, eh? You don't know me. I'm a black belt. Hey. Ah, my princess. We need to talk.
Dad, there is absolutely nothing to talk about. Your mind is already made up. So what is there to talk about? If you had considered me relevant, you should have sought my opinion on this.
Oh, come on, listen, Adana. I didn't mean it that way. I know this will be tough for you. Listen, I will not do anything to hurt you. You're my princess. This is not going to come between us. Honestly. See, I know that there will be changes, but trust me, you will love her when you see her.
Dad?
Yes.
Do you really want my opinion on this?
Yes, my princess.
Don't marry her.
I don't know.
Excuse me.
Bianca! What's the meaning of this now? Huh? What did you say to Adana? I'm asking you.
Oga, believe whatever you want to believe. Henceforth, I don't care. You know why? Because I am too busy planning for my big day. My marriage with the king.
What? What?
That's not what. You're privileged to be the first person. Not the first person. My father is the first person. And you are the second person to hear about this. So, I am getting married to the king.
A liar. You lie.
Eh?
I know you.
Eh?
You're such a big liar.
Okay, I'm a liar. I'm a liar. Okay, make it vam, Nanya. It will happen before your very eyes. I am getting married to the king. Kill yourself. I'm a liar. Okay, make checking here. I will deal with you one person by the time I become your queen. Hey, you better start running from this village. Bet it. Korea, one person. Okay, in Akuchara, I will deal with you. One person, I will deal with you by the time I become your queen. Don't worry.
Liar.
Okay.
Big liar.
Liar. So what the wrong? Okay.
Big liar.
Bianca, wetin be your problem? No regard for our custom, culture. You be longing for this power, Queen Bianca. You have been longing for this power, Queen Bianca. You are so desperate for this power, Queen Bianca. What a desperate queen, Queen Bianca. Wicked queen, Queen Bianca. Selfish queen, Queen Bianca. Queen Bianca. Whatever you say, stand. You are full of yourself.
Congratulations, my dear friend. You are the father of the soon-to-be queen of this kingdom.
Okay. I don't want that marriage to happen.
No. Isigine, Fichonogi, clean your mouth.
Okay, hear me out first. My daughter Bianca is far too young to be married to the Igwe. For crying out loud, Okeke. Igwe is way older than Bianca. That's what I'm saying.
Oh no. Do you know why I am just looking at you?
Now you will say.
Our Igwe is a man. He is not a woman, that you know. A man has every right in this world to marry any woman so long as the bride gives her consent. The person we are talking about here is not ordinary man. He is the traditional ruler of this kingdom.
Okay. You talk as if you have forgotten our tradition or you don't know our tradition.
And what is the tradition? Tell me.
If perhaps anything happens to the Igwe right now, my daughter Bianca, as young as she is, will spend the rest of her life a widow.
Yes, I know.
And you are telling me?
No. Let me ask you this question. Have you given it a thought that this same daughter of yours will rule this kingdom if what you are saying happens? You are not answering. All right, Unowu. Did you also give it a thought that if what you have just said happens, that the kingship of this kingdom will now move to your lineage? Have you given it a thought? Oh, you are taking your face away. I expect you to be saying, gods of our land, please give my daughter Bianca a male child. That is what I expect from you. Let me just go in and get a drink. A cause for celebration.
Okay. But I am not in the mood of celebration. And you could not call my father. It's your baggy door for honor.
Oh no. Don't miss this opportunity. This is opportunity everybody in this kingdom is looking for. Don't allow it to move away from you. Agwachange, as a good friend of yours.
Bianca. Bianca is not even good for a wife, let alone a queen. If she becomes a queen, you're finished. Because she will keep exercising her powers.
I won't even allow that happen. It will not happen. I've worked so hard for this. I've invested my time, my money, my strength, my effort. So Bianca cannot come from nowhere and ruin what I've worked for. How do you know possible? My brother, man, Menata. It will not happen.
Nkem!
See, my princess, this is not the time to wear long faces, okay? Yes, you know Bianca, everybody knows Bianca. She's a very crazy person. You know her too well. I can't deny the fact that we are friends, best of friends, very good friends. Yes, but that's not the reason I'm here. Are you aware that your father is planning to get a new wife?
Yes. He told me last night, and I can never be in support of that.
The truth is that if that finally happens, you stand to lose the chance of becoming the princess. You will not succeed him as the princess if he finally joins his ancestors. If that happens. Yes. And what that means is that they will rob you out from your inheritance.
Never.
Okay.
Never. All my life, I have been waiting for that throne. I have been trained to rule, and rule I must.
Then let's make the haze while the sun shine. Kai welo toto. Chupe woji. Makana chijie. If it is dark, you won't see it. You won't see where the goat is once it's dark.
Mabweze, I need you now than ever. I need you. I need your help.
Okay, guess. Do you know who your father's wife to be is?
No.
Guess, just guess.
I can't, just say it.
Just think and guess,
Can you just say it? Ooh.
Hey. Hey. Should I say it?
Say it.
Bianca.
It's okay. Sorry. Easy. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, I'm holding you. Easy. Sorry, easy. Baby, sorry. Listen, we just have to try and get a taxi. Sorry. Easy. We just have to manage. We need a taxi to get to the hospital.
My legs are heavy.
I know.
I can't walk.
You have to. Okay, can we just take some fresh air? Take some fresh air. Yeah, fresh air. Take fresh air, my love. Sorry, fresh air. Sorry.
I can't move.
You have to try.
I can't move.
Sorry. Just try. You're almost there. Please.
I can't move.
I'm sorry. Please. Just one step. Almost there. Please. So easy. We're almost there.
Dad, you can't marry Bianca.
Why?
Because she's... Dad, you can't marry her. I mean, she's my friend.
The more reason I should bring your friend in and close to you.
You can't marry any other woman. Not even Bianca. No, Dad.
What is this? Adana. Listen, I know it is hard for you to get over this. But I believe that with time, you will surely get over it. Adana, come on.
Dad, please, don't do it.
Oh, stop it. Stop it, Adana. What's this about? For 28 years, I have lived my life for you. Is it too hard for you to accept the fact that I want to be happy? Very soon you're going to go be with your husband. Who's going to be here with me? Nobody.
Dad, are you saying I do not make you happy?
No, Adanna. On the contrary, you have been a bundle of joy to me. But soon you're going to be with your husband and going to be here alone. Understand me?
The most beautiful princess of our Makono kingdom. What brings you to my humble abode?
Oh no, why? I've come to see your daughter Bianca. Where is she?
Bianca? She left since morning. She has not returned. Would you like to drop some note for her?
Some messages are better delivered in person. Because tones needs to be heard. Facial expressions needs to be seen. And energy felt.
My princess, is there any problem?
We don't know.
Come and have cola, huh?
Have you been? I can't walk. I can't move. I can't move. I can't move.
Sorry. It's my love. Sorry. You're almost there. You're almost there. Sorry.
My friend, how on earth did you come about with this stupid idea? Okay, fine. If you marry the Igwe, you have a lot to gain. But what about what is good for you? The Igwe is far older than your father.
Nay.
Why would you ever think of getting married to him?
Nay.
my sister, there is nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with marrying an older man. There is nothing wrong with it, or even loving an older man. Yeah.
Bianca, you don't love him, do you?
You can't be sure of that.
Anyway, but I would advise use that energy in getting back with Mwabeze instead.
Ne, let me tell you how this thing is going. Okay, calm down. Mwabeze is going after the princess because of what he believes he will gain by marrying her. On the other side, I, Bianca, is going for someone higher than the princess. So you see, I too can play the game. Let the game begin.
Bianca, you're unbelievable. You mean you want to go through all this, mortgage your life, because of one stupid game you want to play? Bianca, you're unbelievable.
Bianca, what will be your problem?
You are Mr. Onyeka?
Yes, I am Mr. Onyeka. How is my wife and child?
We need to perform surgery on your wife immediately.
What is it? Why surgery? What is wrong? What is wrong with my wife, doctor?
Relax, relax. You know, we are trying to save mother and child at the same time. You need to hurry straight to the cashier and make a deposit of 200,000 naira. Doctor, so we can commence immediately.
Doctor, please, they are all I have. 200,000 is not a problem. Please, just carry on with the surgery. As soon as I leave here, I'll get the money, please.
Okay, just hurry. We don't have time. Okay?
Yes, I will. But let nothing happen to my wife and child.
All right.
I don't know what you hope to achieve with this little game of yours. And trust me, I really do not want to know. But I am here to warn you, Bianca. Stay away from my family, especially my dad. Don't say I did not warn you. Remember, the same teeth a dog uses to play is that same teeth it uses to bite. Bianca, flee from my family.
Queen Bianca, you have been longing for this power. Queen Bianca, you are so desperate for this power. Queen Bianca, what a desperate queen. Queen Bianca, wicked queen. Queen Bianca, selfish queen. Queen Bianca.
I can't believe my dad is planning to get married again. Let alone to that mannerless girl. I didn't see this coming. I did not.
See, my princess, this is not going to be good for us at all. It won't be good at all. We can't allow your dad to marry Bianca. Yes, because we, especially you, will be denied of so many privileges. How can Bianca, I mean, it's unimaginable that Bianca becomes your stepmother and my mother-in-law. It looks somehow, we can't allow it. can't allow it happen. No.
I will do anything to stop this marriage. Anything.
Adanna, there is only one way to do this.
What way?
It's a hard way, but trust me, it's only one way to do this. You know, since all your life you've been longing to sit on that throne. Huh? You've been longing to sit on that throne, and you're trained as a queen to sit on that throne. So we're not going to allow Bianca to take what belongs to you. Okay? If you will agree with me, let us do that which I have in mind.
When was the last time you bought me clothes, shoes, or even something as cheap as an earring? When was the last time, Papa? Do you even care to know how I feel when I cannot wear the things my mates wear? No, you don't care. I will not return anything. These gifts, they were given to me by my husband-to-be.
I forbid you for calling him your husband-to-be, because he will never be.
Sooner or later, he will become my husband, and you will have no choice but to accept him.